Dealing with dogs when mowing lawns. Dealing with dogs is a crucial part of running a lawn care business. Many homeowners have dogs, and this means we must have safe management practices while working. One strategy for attracting more customers is advertising as dog-friendly, despite the potential for finding surprises left behind by pets. While you may be fond of dogs, it's not always mutual. Personal experiences with dog bites underscore the importance of handling these situations with care. To safely manage dogs, it's essential to inquire about their presence before visiting a property, looking out for signs like dog poop and bones. Ensuring homeowners are aware of your arrival allows them to secure their dogs, preventing any possible conflict or danger during your work. Adhering to the old farm rule of gate management. If a gate is open, leave it open. If it's closed, close it after you. This is a good habit for your business. My approach involves a simple yet effective secret weapon, carrying dog biscuits to distract potentially aggressive or curious dogs. This method not only helps in avoiding confrontation, but also makes the dogs look forward to your visits, associating them with treats. Leaving a trail of biscuits can divert a dog's attention, allowing you to inspect and work on the lawn without disturbance. Rewarding dogs with biscuits after completing your work ensures they remain patient and not focused on escaping, but on the treats they'll receive. Informing homeowners about giving their dogs biscuits is crucial, especially considering dietary restrictions, to ensure it aligns with the pet's health needs. The positive interaction with dogs not only makes your job easier, but also turns your visit into a pleasant experience for the pets. Implementing a process for safely managing dogs on job sites can significantly reduce problems for lawn care businesses, promoting a safer working environment. By following these tips, you can make your lawn care business more dog-friendly, enhancing safety and satisfaction for both you and your clients. If you would like to read the guide for more information on what we do, you will find a link in the description. Thanks for watching. Do remember to like and subscribe, and meanwhile, get out there, mow lawns, make friends with dogs, and have fun.